Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem a KFC voucher. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, if you haven't noticed, I've downloaded the KFC app on my device, and now from here I'm going to sign up. So I'm going to click into KFC and sign up, or you can sign in. Alright, in order to sign up or sign in, I'm going to click on more, bottom of my screen here, and I'm going to click onto sign in. And now I'm going to continue with Gmail because it's automatically going to sign me in here. So I'm going to click my account tutorial is, going to click continue. And from here, fill out your personal info and then click continue. Once you're signed in, what you want to do is go ahead and make an order. So I'm going to do a pickup. You can do delivery if you like. So it's going to use my location. I'm going to order from Arndale. So click order here. And then I'm going to view their menu. And now what you want to do is basically put a product in the cart, and that's where you can add the KFC voucher here. So alright, I'm going to add this to my order and click on continue ordering. Just want to get to the cart here, and it says 1. So once you're inside your carty, it says add coupon code, so go ahead and click on the add button. And now put in your coupon code, click apply, and that will apply to your order. So if you got a coupon code for $10 off, I'll get this meal for $4.95. So I just need to pay the remaining balance using a credit card or debit card, and then continue on with your order. Also, while you're here, they've got promos down here on the bottom right, so you can check out all their current promos as well.